What's going down, my peeps? Here to give you more helpful information. Many, if most people, suffer from cravings of sugar, sweets, treats, call it what you will. The bottom line is this. The reason you have these cravings that won't leave you alone is because you are suffering from unstable and or low blood sugar. What that means is this. When your diet is not done properly and your blood sugar fluctuates, when your blood sugar goes down, your body becomes threatened and your brain will literally send out a message saying, I need sugar, ASAP. You can make that comparison to someone who hears a fire alarm and they start to act very erratic because they are panicked because they don't want to burn to death. Well, low blood sugar will sound an alarm coming out of your brain. The problem is you don't hear the alarm. So what happens is your brain sends out this silent alarm telling you to get sugar very, very quickly at any cost, depending on how low the blood sugar has gone. Now, this is a problem that literally you cannot deal with. You cannot win this fight because much like the person who acts irrationally when he or she hears the fire alarm, now the person has the silent alarm going off in their brains from low blood sugar is acting irrationally as well. That's why you find yourself in the goddamn candy aisle of the gas station. It's just that simple. So if you want to cure your sweet tooth, your cravings for sugar, you must understand how to stabilize your blood sugar. Stable blood sugar will literally keep cravings away. Instead of looking at something sweet, feeling like you will get to that and eat that at any cost, you take a look at that treat, whatever it is you got your eye on, looks good, but you can do without it. So again, if you are one of these people that have these cravings for sugar that you just can't stop, now you know why. It's all about creating a stable blood sugar. That is your biggest defense against that god-awful sweet tooth, that god-awful craving that won't leave you alone. John Andersen bringing you a little more.